Imagine waking up every single day, knowing your next meal could take hours, or never come at all. Finding food wasn't easy. Sometimes, an entire morning ended with only a handful of berries and roots. Hunting wasn't guaranteed. Many days, the animals escaped, and hunger won. And when food was finally found, it wasn't cooked. Every bite of raw meat was tough, chewy, and difficult to eat. Early humans spent countless hours chewing. Eating wasn't quick, it was exhausting.
Raw food carried hidden dangers that early humans couldn't see, but their bodies paid the price.
Digesting raw food demanded enormous energy. After eating, the body still had a difficult job to do. It wasn't just meat. Many roots and plants were so tough, they were almost impossible to eat raw.
Many wild plants tasted bitter, while others could make people dangerously sick if eaten raw.
Every calorie mattered. Survival wasn't about finding food once. It was about finding enough energy to keep going every single day. Then one day, nature was about to change everything. A powerful storm rolled across the land. A single bolt of lightning ignited the dry land, creating something both terrifying and extraordinary.
Animals fled in every direction, but not all of them escaped the fire.
When the flames finally faded, something unexpected remained. A smell unlike anything humans had ever experienced before. One cautious bite may have become one of the greatest turning points in human history.
The difference was incredible. Cooked meat became softer, making it far easier to chew than raw meat.
Hours of painful chewing were suddenly reduced to minutes. Eating became easier and much less exhausting.
Humans quickly realized this wasn't luck. Fire could transform food every single time.
Cooking also made it easier for the body to absorb energy, giving humans more calories from the same meal.
That extra energy changed everything. Humans could hunt longer, travel farther, and survive in a world that had once seemed impossible.
With more energy from cooked food, humans could hunt longer, travel farther, and recover faster than before.
Cooking wasn't only for strong hunters. Children and older people could finally eat tough foods more easily, helping more people survive.
Heat changed the structure of food. Tough fibers softened, making every bite easier for the body to process. Spending less time chewing meant more time for making tools, solving problems, and learning new skills.
A simple discovery around the fire slowly transformed families, communities, and eventually the future of humanity. Some scientists believe the energy from cooked food helped fuel one of humanity's greatest changes, the evolution of a larger brain.
A larger brain requires enormous amounts of energy. Cooked food may have made that energy easier to obtain.
As humans became smarter and worked together, hunting became more organized, increasing their chances of success.
Cooking created more than full stomachs. Around the fire, people shared ideas, planned the future, and strengthened their communities. What began as a simple way to prepare food slowly became one of the greatest turning points in human history.
Cooking became more than survival. It became something people did together, bringing families and communities closer than ever before.
Soft-cooked food meant young children and older adults could eat more easily, helping entire families survive together.
Preparing meals encouraged teamwork. Every person had a role. making life more organized and cooperation more valuable.
As families gathered around the fire, stories, skills, and traditions were shared. Every meal became a classroom.
A simple discovery around the fire slowly reshaped human life, turning scattered survivors into thriving communities.
Cooking wasn't only about taste. Hot meals helped humans survive the coldest places on Earth.
Reliable cooked food gave early humans the strength to travel farther and settle in places that once seemed impossible. Soon, humans discovered that fire could transform more than meat. Fish, roots, fruits, and many plants became easier to eat when cooked.
As humans spread across the world, every community developed its own recipes, traditions, and ways of cooking. From one accidental discovery came countless traditions that still bring people together every single day.
Many plants that were hard or unsafe to eat raw became softer and easier to digest after cooking, giving humans access to new food sources.
Cooking wasn't only about meat. Heat also made water and many foods safer by reducing harmful microbes. People soon discovered another advantage. Fire could help preserve food, allowing meals to last much longer. Having food that lasted longer meant humans could travel farther without depending on the next successful hunt. Cooking became more than survival. Sharing meals built trust, strengthened friendships, and brought different groups of people together. Humans didn't stop at roasting food. They experimented with new cooking methods, making meals even softer, and more nourishing.
Cooking became a skill that had to be learned. Every generation passed this knowledge to the next.
Cooking slowly became part of everyday life. Every sunrise began with preparing food, and every sunset ended around the warmth of a fire.
Across the ancient world, the glow of cooking fires became a symbol of home.
One simple discovery didn't just change meals. It changed the direction of human history forever. Soon, every new day began around a fire. Cooking became part of everyday life for every family.
Sharing cooked meals built trust between families. Around the fire, strangers slowly became friends. Before long, the smell of cooking drifted across valleys, rivers, and forests. Fire connected people across the ancient world.
Cooking transformed the campfire into something greater than a source of heat. It became the heart of every home.
From one accidental discovery, humanity found a better way to live, and the world would never be the same again.
Cooking wasn't only about survival anymore. It became an act of caring, sharing, and protecting those we loved. One small discovery spread from camp to camp, until its warmth reached people across an entire continent. Long before cities, kingdoms, or written history, humanity gathered around one simple fire and one shared meal.
Cooking didn't simply change what humans ate, it changed what humans became. And every warm meal we enjoy today began with one unforgettable discovery.